Hi footballers, in this video I'm going to be reviewing my two previous pairs of Astro and also I'll be unboxing my new Astros from a different company. So before I show you my newest Astro, I would like to tell you the history of my Astros. So the first one that I bought was this one that you are seeing on your screen. And this Astros, these are the after the 5 months of complete usage. And then there was one repair that I had between the usage, and there are so many holes now, as you can see. And the looks are very good, and the performance of them are, I would say, very nice. As you can see here, you can play very nicely with these shoes. So the second one that I bought after the Puma are these that you are seeing on your screen. And after the 4 months of complete usage, they are like this. And the most interesting part is that even though I'm a right-footed, then also the left one is more worn and torn. As you can see here, from here it is more worse here. As you can see, they are still in good condition to wear. And as you can see the looks, and then there's one repair that I had stitched on both the shoes. And I would say these are looking better than the Puma ones. And the sole is also from here, as you can see. I think performance-wise, these are also very good, and with the looks, these are definitely better than the Puma one. But one thing I would like to mention is that these are getting rough very quickly because I think I'm playing with these shoes in the monsoon season. That's all. So the wet season, the rain, I think is making it more damage than the other ones. So as I was talking about the wear and tear of my footwear, same happens with this ball. This is the 6 weeks before ball, and this is the 6 weeks after ball. You can clearly see the wear and tear on the footballs too. And the same happens with the footwear. So the most final and interesting part of this video are the best shoes under the 3,000 rupees. And here we have the box, and I would like to say that this is the whole new completely different brand. I think which you don't know yet, but you will know after this video. So I'm very excited to open this, so let's open it. So as you can see now here, we have our shoes box, which is from Mizuno. And if you don't know, Mizuno is a Japanese company, and it is from Osaka in Japan. So I'm very excited to see this. So let's open it. And the best shoes under 3,000 is this one. As you can see it, they look very nice, and the color are very good and vibrant. As you can see, and the design is like the best. Then this their symbol. And the sole, as you can see, is very good, and I think these are the best shoes for football, I think, and we are going to do a full review also on this, so stay tuned for this. So thank you for watching this video, and I think you have enjoyed this video. So please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the 1 month review of this Mizuno. So now it's time to play.